Besties, today I'll be sharing with you extremely weird but legal ways to make up to $8,000 in a month. So are you looking for ways to make extra money? Guess what? You are in the right place. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 5 extremely weird but legal ways to make up to $8,000 in a month. Please note, some of these ways are a little bit strange, but that's exactly why they work. In fact, number 5 will shock you, so make sure that you stick around and watch this video all the way till the end. I also have a giveaway, yes, so make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end to find out how you can enter for my own personal giveaway. I'm giving away money, yes, so watching this video too is another way to make money online today. So come with me, guys, let's go. If you're new to this channel, by all means, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know your meeting, where in the world are you tuning in from, and if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your massive support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. God bless you real good. And yes, if you're just joining for the first time, introduce yourselves in the comments. And to all my Patreon members, you guys are amazing. Thank you. That's all I can say. Thank you. God bless you real good. And yes, if you would like to join my Patreon community, go ahead and find the link. This is for you guys, my Patreon members. If you want to join my Patreon community, find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grants, money, business, and everything in between. Without further ado, let's get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. Let's go. Besties, do you know that you can get paid to sleep? Have you ever laid on your bed and wished that you could get paid to sleep? It turns out that companies pay you to sleep. Yeah, so to participate in sleep studies, the ultimate passive income. It means you can just get paid to catch some extra rests and bring money while improving your own health and wellness. You can also participate in sleep studies through local clinics to make more money while sleeping. All you need to do is check your local message boards and university studies for paid sleep opportunities. The next one on my list here is to become a mattress tester. Hey guys, have you heard about Sleep Junkie? Sleep Junkie is a leading online resource for people who love sleep. The company offers mattress guides, sleep products reviews, and of course occasional paid opportunities. In fact, in June 2021, the company was searching for a lucky sleeping beauty to test and critique top-rated mattress companies, and here is simply how they work. The company sent the lucky candidates 3 mattresses over a 2-month period. Sleeping Beauty's job, was to test all 3 of them and provide insights about sleep quality and comfort level, among other things. At the end of the testing period, Sleeping Beauty was able to keep one of the mattresses, which is $1,500, and she also received $3,000. I mean, talk about a dream job. That's exactly what it is. Do you know you can also become a professional eater? You can eat and get paid. Yes, you heard me. I'm sure a lot of people don't even know that you can eat and get paid. I heard about this thing in 2016. I remember, yes, in 2016. I'm like, what? I want to eat and get paid. So besties, do you love food? Hey, in fact, who does not even love food? Do you know you can actually get paid to eat and eat a lot? Check out the major league eating websites where you can eat yourself silly and win some big cash prizes. Just remember to practice safety when you are attempting to eat large amounts of food, so fast so you don't hurt yourself or negatively impact your health. There is a concept as too much of a good thing, yes, even with food, so you have to be careful. Another weird way to make money is to be someone's friend. I'm not joking. Another way to cater to lonely crowd is to be someone's friend for a new hours. There are websites that cater to this. Rent a Friend is a website, rentafriend.com. Yeah, it sounds too good to be true, right? Or it sounds weird. That's why it's part of the strategies I'm sharing with you guys in today's video. So all you need to do is this: create a profile on rentafriend.com and connect with other people in need of companionship. You can also get paid to visit comedy clubs, go bowling, visit the beach, or just hang out in a coffee shop and lend someone your ear. You can also become a human guinea pig. Yes, if you're willing to put your bodies on the line for cash to use as a human guinea pig, it just involves, partnering with research groups, participating in trials and experiments, and getting paid to try a certain study or even medicine. Just make sure that you think about what you want to get involved with ahead of time to avoid putting yourself in harm's way. I mean, most paid studies are relatively safe, but it always pays to assess the risk before doing any kind of experiment or test. So, are you ready for the shocker? Are you guys ready for the shocker? Fasten your seatbelts because things are about to change from this end. Do you know that you can sell pictures of your feet? Yes, you can sell pictures of your feet, your leg, your feet. Yes. In fact, there's a website that, is the best. They provide the best, easiest, and safest platform. Yes, so to sell feet pictures. In case you're wondering, how much money can you make? First, the name of the website is called Feet Finder. Yes, feetfinder.com. And there is no limit to how much money you can make selling pictures of your feet. In fact, one seller made over $22,000 in a month selling feet pictures on Feet Finders. Yes, so while selling feet pictures can be easy as a side hustle, it provides a decent income for the work involved relatively quickly. It is also important to note that it still requires dedication and effort. Feet Finder has paid out models millions of dollars, confirming its legitimacy and of course showing that sellers are making a lot of sales. Here is how to get started. Sign up on Feet Finder. Yes, sign up for an account on Feet Finder. They will ask you for some basic personal information and they require you to submit your ID, a photo of your ID. This is just to prevent minors from signing up for Feet Finder. Be rest assured that Feet Finder never publishes any information shared during the sign-up process. Then go ahead and upload 5 to 10 free feet pictures to your profile to get buyers interested. The free images should be teasing but not too revealing. Additionally, go ahead and upload another 10 to 15 feet pictures or albums for a price. This pricing strategy serves as a good starting point. If the pictures at the current price sell well, you can consider raising your prices. Then go ahead and optimize your profile by adding a high quality profile image and a teasing bio. These additions will help attract potential buyers and make your profile more appealing. Check your inbox multiple times a day and respond promptly to messages from potential buyers. Try to build a relationship with them and learn what type of feet pictures they prefer. While being flirty and friendly, it is essential to set clear boundaries. Yes, and I hope with these few points of mine I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can make money from all of these weird strategies from the comfort of your home without spending a dime. And that is it, guys, for today. Here is how to enter for my own giveaway. Yes, we have reached the giveaway part. So all you need to do, well, first and foremost, I have launched my Telegram community, my Telegram channel. What you need to do is this: go ahead and add your friends. Add 50 people to my Telegram community. Don't worry. I know you might be like, oh, where will I find 50 people? You know more than 50 people. Yes, how many people are on your contacts list? Send this video, share my Telegram link to your village members, your church members, your mosque members, your private members, your enemies, your besties, your neighbors. Share. Yeah, so share it with them. So go ahead and share with like 500 people so that at least 10% will join. Don't just dump the link. So tell them why they should join my Telegram community or my Telegram channel. Tell them I share various ways to make money online, and it's going to be a very resourceful Telegram channel and they will not regret it. Go ahead and share it with the 500 people or 1,000 people, and then come back to this video and let me know how many people you have successfully added. If you're able to add more than 50 people, the better for you. I'm going to be sending you $100. I'll be sending you $100 cash gifts. Yes, I'm going to send it to you through Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, PayPal, or Western Union, depending on where you are in the world. I'm going to send you $100. Yes, and that is it, guys, for today. Thank you all so much for watching all the way till the very end. If you have not introduced yourselves, please introduce yourself in the comments. I want to know what you do for a living. Yeah, and that is it for today. Thank you all so much once again, and I hope to see you in my next video. In case no one has told you today, let me just tell you now, you're beautiful, you're amazing, and I am so proud of you. All right, take care, guys, and bye for now. God bless you.